Components are the main sources of heat within your design, and without thermal stability, meeting all the electrical requirements of your design isn't enough to make your PCB reliable. With the Celsius Thermal Solver, it's easy to analyze the temperature distribution across the board, enabling you to make necessary design decisions in time. Within Celsius, you can analyze the combined electrical thermal behavior of the design as a function of time. Select Transient ET co-simulation in the workflow pane. Check the stackup to ensure the material properties are accurately defined. To analyze the thermal changes as a function of time, you can easily define the transient simulation parameters. Enter the values for total simulation time, unit time step size, initial time, and time interval. A complex PCB design requires more than one power supply voltage. The VRMs are designed to supply the required current at the components and ICs. Let's define the VRMs and receiver components as sinks in this design. Active components such as ICs generate and dissipate heat as they draw current from their sources. Within Celsius, you can easily define the physical properties and transient inputs of the components for thermal analysis. Easily set up the size and outline of the components by selecting Select Thermal Components in the workflow pane. Then, set the materials and heat dissipation value as a transient function using Setup PCB Components. Now preview the 3D model of your PCB and start the simulation. You can easily review the results as tables and color-coded graphs. Check the electrical and thermal results in the E results and T results tables. The failing parameters are flagged as red. Easily analyze the transient results in a 3D format by selecting an appropriate value in the timestamp. With the Celsius Thermal Solver, you can easily simulate the thermal behavior of your design, helping you make any necessary changes during design development.